Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and comment down below and let me know what you think about these videos and what you want to see. So, today's video is all about consultation, and I've got a secret to the perfect consultation. So I'm doing another video on this about how I consult, but I just want to show you this little secret that I've got. And if you're a Joyco salon, you'll most probably have this, or you've got access to this. And this is the Colour Match Joyco Consultation Kit. So this is something I use with my clients when they come in, when we do a full in-depth consultation. If a client wants to know what will suit their skin tone, eye colour, makeup, if they would be more sort of on the cooler scale, the warmer scale, the lighter, the darker, or a soft and vibrant colour, how do they know? It's down to us to consult it and let them know exactly what will suit them. A lot of clients can pull two off. They could pull off a bright and a dark. They could pull off a vibrant and maybe more softer tone. But this is something we can consult with them. And to make your life even easier, I'm going to show you this little secret hack. Not so secret though. If you're a Joyco salon, you'll have access to this. So yeah, let me show you what it is and we'll get into it. So this is the Joycolor System Colour Match Kit. And what it is a consultation Bible. We've also got our consultation underlying pigment chart as well, which I'll show in another video. That shows you what is underlying levels 1 up to 10, so you can know when we're bleaching up, and we can show clients very visual that the stages of colour we're gonna have to go through, those reds and oranges and orange reds and yellows and orange yellows and all that. So I'll bring that to another video. If you want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. And while you're there, just click that subscribe button for me. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by July. So if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and we'll get there quicker. Consultation. So the Colour Match Kit, I'm going to read you about it. So the Joyco System Colour Match Kit, this tool is designed to make colour consultation easy and fun and help find the perfect colour match for every client. So like I said, you've got these pieces here, which are like an organiser. We've got cool warm, we have dark light and soft bright. What we'll get from this is that the right colours will make your client's skin appear younger, clearer, more rested and harmonised. So making sure that when we're using this, we can really dive into seeing what's going to complement our client's skin tone and make that colour just suit them a lot better. The wrong colours will make your client's skin appear older, more tired, more flawed, overpowered or washed out. Now that's something we don't really want to do, and this card, I'll show you it against my skin. When I was younger, I was trying to get these sort of steely blondes, these really white blondes, and it always went yellow. It's because of my underlying pigment. We've got eumelanin, pheomelanin, that is the melanin within our pigments in our skin and in our body. So, and top tip for this is, if you look around somebody's pupil and they've got the oranges and reddy tones and yellowy tones, you know that they're going to have a harder time getting blonder because they've got a lot more warmer pigment and melanin in their hair and in their skin. If you look around their pupil and they've got more cooler tones or they haven't got any of the warmth in there, you know you're going to have a much easier job getting those really crisp, cool highlights. So that's a top tip. Look around the pupil with your client. Instead of looking directly at them, just get them to pop their eyes up. You look into their eyes and just have a look around the pupil and you'll be able to see what underlying pigment is remaining in their hair. What we do with this is you've got to try the 3 colour wheels around your client's face under a neutral light with the hair out of the face. So I'm just going to show you, it's much more visual. So let's start with the cool or warm, and you let me know in the comments down below what you think suits me. So here it is here, this is one side. On the other side it gives us some colour options, if you can see, and then there we've got tips and tricks. So let me read you what it is. Tips and tricks. If you find cool colours suit you better, choose natural ashy browns, blondes, silver greys or violet reds. If you find the warmer colours suit you better, try golden blondes, caramel highlights, red copper tones and warm beige browns. So we open it up and we've got this. So what we do is we're going to start with the warmer side, which is there. So just have a look at my skin tone when I hold that up to it. Bearing in mind I have got quite a bright light. And then we put the cooler tone. Now I think I look whiter. It washes me out a little bit. What do you guys think? Try that side. See, that gives me a bit more colour on my skin. If you look around my eyes, I don't look so sunken, so I look quite fresh. There. And there, you can see a little bit more of darkness, a little bit more washed out when I get to the cooler side. So that is the cool and warm. So let's see what I suit now, whether it be dark or light. So tips and tricks. If you find dark colours work better on you, try to work with it. Don't lighten the hair in direct contact with your face. So money pieces are a no-go. If you find lighter colours work better for you, try to keep your hair in a similar level to your natural. Usually going 2 levels lighter or darker is a safe option. Right, so let's start with the lighter. Now I think, I don't know. Let's just get focus on it. So you can see these tones, you've got like silvers, soft pinks, and then all these running through here. I'm going to try and get the light as consistent as possible. So if we just do that, you'll be able to see. I think that looks better. Although, that looks quite good as well. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. So there, that's a bit more focused, isn't it? Or, definitely dark. 100%. My skin tone and eyes changed then. Do you think? You can see like my eyes were just a little bit there and there. I think that's better. So currently I am a warm dark. So now we're going to go for soft or bright. So tips and tricks. If you find colours work better on, if you find softer colours work better on you, choose muted tones as brown red, golden copper or beige, and natural blondes. Try also metallic or muted fashion shades, so nothing really vibrant. If you find brighter colours work better on you, choose silver blondes, bright coppers, pure reds, blacks. Try also bright fashion shades, true blue, bright red, purple, hot pink, etc. And then on the back of all these, there's got colour suggestions as well. So we're going to see now if I'm a softer colour or a brighter colour. So there's the, let me sit back here, it seems to be better. So there's the softer. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I think that. I don't think that really works with my skin tone. Oh, I don't know. No, I think that is better. I think that's softer on my skin tone. Stay same place. Yeah, that sort of washes me out. Do you think? But there we go. There is a consultation hack. Not really a hack, not really a secret. It's readily available for you Joyco accounts out there. If you want to know how to get it, you can message down below and I'll point you in the right direction as to how to grab one of those, because I think they're great. The consultation underlying pigment chart as well is also available. I'll do another video on that. But if you've enjoyed the video, thank you for staying all this way through it. Please hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up. And again, hopefully all the way through this video you've been commenting. Let me know what you think suits me best. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.